Today, we're showcasing the 25x1g SmartBox Gold Bar from C.Hafner. This product offers a unique and practical way to invest in gold. C.Hafner is a renowned name in the precious metals industry, known for their high-quality gold products. The 25x1g SmartBox contains 25 individual 1-gram gold bars, each meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards of purity and weight. The SmartBox design makes it easy to separate individual gold bars, providing flexibility for gifting, selling, or trading smaller quantities. This feature is particularly useful for investors who value liquidity and versatility in their gold holdings. Each 1-gram gold bar is 999.9 fine gold. The bars are also LBMA approved, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the UKBullion YouTube channel.